How to mute conversations on Signal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're using Signal and want to mute a conversation, firstly open the Signal application on your device and log into your account. Open the conversation you want to mute. Once you're inside the conversation page, tap on the contacts or the group's name at the top of the chat. Now you'll see this expanded menu. Click on Mute. Select the time duration for how long you want to mute the conversation, and you will be able to mute a conversation on Signal. You can return to your chat list. The conversation will now remove muted until the selected time expires or you have manually unmuted it. So that's it. You've successfully muted a Signal conversation. You can mute both individual chats and group conversations whenever you want a quieter messaging experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.